Hey everybody, it's the Snowbird Gardener from stormy Southern California. Look at that thing in the tree. That's a piece of bark from a palm tree that's up at the top of the driveway. So you can see how much wind we've had. That's pretty good to put it that high in the tree, huh? It's probably 6 feet up in the tree. And look at this. This is just so beautiful to me. Just watch that water. Isn't that peaceful? So beautiful. It sparkles in the water with every drop. I'll see you next time. Jesus loves you. He's the exact image of the invisible God. Bye-bye.